All right, so now for today's assignment for Tuesday, April 21st. Ethos, pathos, logos in print advertisements. Look at each ad and decide what form of persuasion, ethos, logos, or pathos, is being used. Explain your answers. This is just an example. You don't have to do anything here. The answer is, this ad uses logos and pathos. It gives facts about the level of bad emissions or pollution from a Prius and from a sheep. Persuasion using facts and statistics is logos. The ad is also an example of pathos because the picture of the sheep and thinking about emissions from a sheep, like farting, is funny. It's an appeal to humor. That's pathos. So now you're going to try. This says voted best body shop by customers. What kind of persuasion is this ad using? Is this ethos, pathos, or logos? And why do you know that? So it says 100% customer satisfaction voted best body shop by the customers. What do you think? 2, this is an ad for a cell phone. We got Ronaldo here. He's a soccer player. He wants us to buy this. What kind of persuasion is this? What makes you think so? Number 3, what kind of persuasion is this ad? Michelin tires, because so much is riding on your tires. Here's a little baby in the tires. People drive their babies around. You want to have good tires. What makes you think so? What kind of ad? Finally, or there's 2 more, I guess. What kind of persuasion is this? This is for vitamins. Oh, wow, look at all these statistics. It's going to help with your energy production. It's going to help with your memory and mental concentration. And it provides all these important vitamins. Finally, this is Taylor Swift. She wants us to drink Diet Coke. What kind of advertisement would this be? So you've got 5. You're going to number your paper. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tell me what kind of persuasion it is and how do you know? Good luck.